If you want to create die cuts using a Cricut, then putting these three simple filters when you're searching for images is really going to save you a lot of time. So I'm in Cricut Design Space right now, and I'm going to click on images. And let's say I want to have a die cut of a unicorn. I can do that. I can type in unicorn and then I get all different types of images. If you're specifically thinking about a die cut, click on this filter button and you're going to set the crafting complexity to simple, the operation type to cut, and the image layers to just one single layer. Once you do that, I will click out of it. Then it filters out all of the unnecessary images and you can choose one that you like. Just know that if you choose one that has some detached pieces, like the stars in this one, know that you're going to have to piece them together. So if you cut it out on paper, you're going to end up with different pieces that you piece together. Whereas if you find a unicorn that might even have some details in it like this, it's still going to end up being one piece when you cut it out. So that is your little tip for finding images to die cut.